Tha ahumgi oina Soil Enterprises Assistant Manager gis Certificate Course Training Program ngasidagi Houkhre Green Skill Development Program gi makhada Manipur lenga ki Directorate of Environment and Climate Change ki makhada Labor Environmental Information Awareness Capacity Building and Livelihood Program EIACP half Manipur na silagat Chathagadaba Training Program asi Imphal East ki Porompata Labor Directorate of Environment and Climate Change ki Conference Holder Hodoki Thawamaduda Directorate of Environment and Climate Change ki Director Dr. T. Brajakumar AEI CP half Manipur ki State Coordinator Dr. Laishram Bizen Maitai Department of Environment and Climate Change ki Senior Officers Singh Amadi GSDP ki Trainee Singh Saruyaki Dr. Laishram Bizen Maitai na Thawam aduda phongdokhibada training program asi chada kuntragli mana pamjaba trade kharada thabak pijanabagi khudong chaba phangani amadi computer application entrepreneurship public speaking mass communication environment ka mari leinaba act amasung rules sing GIS basic expedition na chingba hiram kayada trainee singda takpi tambibagi mathakta full exposure shu puthokani pangthokani hairi punna trainee kuntra na saru yagadoriba training program asi maru oina Department of Environment and Climate Change Imphal East yauna atopa stakeholder institute sing maru oina KVS Enterprise Sanajeng Private Limited amasung Works Wangjing na chingbada training center oigani haina su Dr. Bizena makatana phongdoke